Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 9.4. Question number 3 says simplify. It is having 8 parts. We will try to solve all the parts. Starting from first part. First part, they have given us binomial into binomial plus 25. What we will do, as we have done question number 1, we will multiply binomial into binomial, and this part we will keep as it is. What we have done, x square, then multiply x plus 5 minus 5, and then multiply x plus 5 plus 25 as it is. So we will get x square into x cube plus 5 into x square 5x square minus into plus minus 5x minus into plus minus 5 is a 25, and this 25 as it is. Now it is the time to simplify it. Add here minus 25 and plus 25 will cancel out, so we will get x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. You can see all the three are unlike terms, so this is our answer. Moving to part 2. Same procedure, but this time I will reduce this step. I will solve directly. So what we will do, I will multiply the first part to the whole bracket. A square into b cube will give me a square b cube. Again, a square into 3 will give me 3a square. Now 5 to the whole bracket, plus into plus plus. 5 into b cube will give me 5b cube, plus into plus will be plus. 5 3s is 15, and this plus 5 as it is. Now solving further, you can see these are like terms, rest all are unlike terms, so we will write as it is a square b cube plus 3a square plus 5b cube plus 20. 15 plus 5 is 20. Now all are unlike terms, so our answer is this. Let me write other two parts. So solving third part first. Again we are having binomial into binomial, like we have solved question number 1. I will multiply t with this whole bracket. So let us start. T into t square will give me t raised to power 3. Again t into s, but minus into plus minus. T into s will give me st plus into plus plus s square t square s square t square minus into plus minus s square into s will give me s raised to power cube. You can see all the terms are unlike terms, so this will be our answer. Moving to fourth part. Fourth part is little bit lengthy and it is also important, so please pay attention properly. You can see binomial into binomial, then plus, again binomial into binomial, then plus, then monomial into binomial. So we will separate each part differently. So let us start. First we will solve this part. A into bracket this binomial, so a into c, ac minus into plus minus a into d will give me ad, plus into plus plus b into c bc, plus into minus minus d into d bd. We will place it in one bracket. Now we will solve this binomial. Again first term with whole bracket, a into c ac plus into plus plus a into d ad minus into plus minus b into c bc minus into plus minus b into d BD. Keeping it in bracket. Now solving the last part, but first it is plus. So now 2 into AC will give me 2AC, plus into plus plus 2 into BD will give me 2BD. Now opening the bracket, AC minus AD plus BC minus BD, then this bracket AC plus AD, since it is plus, the sign inside will not change, minus BC minus BD, then plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now take looking for the like terms. Here you can see AC plus AC, 2AC plus 2AC, so it will give me 4AC, minus AD, I will put underscore underline so we will not forget, minus AD plus AD will cancel out. Now BC, it is plus and here BC is minus, so it will cancel out. Now minus BD, so it will give me minus 2BD and plus 2BD. So minus BD will be 2BD, minus 2BD and plus 2BD. So it will cancel out again. So we will left with only 4AC. If you don't understand, please take the like terms together in one bracket and then solve. You will get 4AC only. So this will be our answer. Now let me write the other two parts. Fifth part is somewhat similar to the fourth part, so we will solve likewise only. Here you can see binomial into binomial, then plus binomial into binomial. We will solve this separately, put it in one bracket, and also this bracket separately, put it in one bracket, then open the bracket. So let us start. First term into whole bracket, x into 2x will give me 2x square, plus into plus plus x into y will be give me xy. Now y, plus into plus plus 2xy plus into plus plus y square, y into y will give me y square. This plus as it is. Now solving these two brackets, x into x will give me x square, minus into plus will give me minus xy, plus into plus plus 2xy, plus into minus minus 2y square. Now opening the bracket, 2x square plus xy plus 2xy plus y square plus x square minus xy plus 2xy minus 2y square. Now looking for the like terms, I can see 2x square and then plus 1x square, so it will give me 3x square. Now xy plus 2xy will give me 3xy, and xy plus 2xy, here also they are having, I will write directly, xy minus xy plus 2xy will give me plus xy, and y square plus y square minus 2y square, so minus y square will remain. Again solving it further, 3x square plus 3xy plus xy will give me plus 4xy minus y square. Now we can't add them, so we will write as it is. Moving to the sixth part, let me first write it down. Sixth part says multiply binomial into trinomial. Don't worry, we will do the same way. We will multiply first term of binomial with all the terms of trinomial, and then first term of the first binomial with all the terms of the trinomial. Same way, x into x will give me x cube, minus into plus minus x square y, plus into plus plus x into y square will give me x y square. Now it is the time of y. Plus into plus plus x square y, plus into minus minus x y into y will give me x y square. Now plus into plus will give me plus y into y square will give me y cube. Looking for the like terms, x cube is itself 1 only. X square y, looking another x square y, here it is plus and minus, so it will cancel out. Now x y square, it is plus, and here x y square, it is minus, so it will cancel out. So we will left with plus y cube. This is our answer. Now moving to the 7th part. So 7th part, it is having binomial into trinomial, and then these two parts as it is. First we will solve this and add this. So let us start. We will keep, since it is decimal point, we will do the same way as we have done question number 1. We will multiply 1.5x into whole bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then minus 4y into whole bracket 1.5x plus 4y plus 3, and then minus 4.5x plus 12y. You can do all the sum like this way also. I was solving so that I can ignore this step. So now solving, multiplying this monomial with the trinomial, 15 into 15 will give me 225. Since I have ignored decimal point, so I will place it back 1 and 2, so I will get 2.25. X into x will be x square, plus into plus plus 15 4 is 60, but 60 if I write, then I have to place one decimal point, so it will become 6 only, 6xy. Now 15 into 3 will give me 4.5x. Why 4.5? Because one decimal point. Now moving further, 4 into 15 will give me 60, but point decimal will come, so it will become 6xy. Now minus into plus minus 4 4 is 16y square. Taking it down, we will get minus into plus minus 4 3 12y as it is. This as it is 4.5x and plus 12y. Now looking for the like terms. X square, we don't have another x square, so we will write as it is 2.25x square. 6xy minus 6xy will cancel out. 4.5x minus 4.5x will cancel out. 12y minus 12y will cancel out. We will left with minus 16y square. These are unlike terms, so it will be our answer. Now let me write part 8 first. Part 8 is having trinomial into trinomial. We have not solved trinomial into trinomial before, but it is the same way we have solved binomial into binomial. So we will do as we have done part 1, question number 1. A multiply by whole bracket a plus b minus c, then plus b also multiply with whole bracket a plus b minus c, and then plus c with the whole bracket a plus b minus c. Now solving it further, a into a will give me a square plus a into b ab minus a into c ac. b into a will give me ab. We are arranging in the alphabetical order. Plus into plus plus b into b b square minus into plus minus b into c bc. a into c ac alphabetical order, b into c bc again alphabetical order, minus into plus minus c into c will be c square. Looking for the like terms, I don't have a square, so I will write a square as it is. Plus ab will give me plus 2ab minus ac plus ac will cancel out. This we have done. Now b square plus b square minus bc plus bc will cancel out. So we will left with minus c square. So this is our answer because there is no like terms now. So we will have this answer. So we have solved all the 8 parts of question number 3. Hope you have understood all the parts. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.